Hi everyone, this is Sumit and I'm doing my hurdle task on scenario 2. In this scenario, at 14 years of age, Summer dislikes working with other students. So maybe she's introverted or at the least socially awkward. She will not join in group work and refuses to participate in class discussions. Practical lessons are very awkward as a result. Other students claim that she refuses to share results or information if she is forced to work with them. So this means she's not enjoying group work at all. So maybe she's being bullied. She has fallen behind the rest of the class because she will not participate in discussions and activities designed to deepen understanding of the topics and is increasingly isolated from her peers. So something is definitely wrong here and it's affecting her learning. So maybe I need to talk to her or create adjusted activities for her. So first we could analyze the possible causes. Maybe she's an introverted person, or maybe her behavior could reflect a more recent incident that happened in her life. So another reason could be that there was a conflict out of the classroom that's causing all of this. Maybe she's being bullied, or it could be something that's out of the school altogether. So it's clear that I need to have a discussion with her to go through all these possibilities. So one approach that I could take to this would be Roger's positive behavior leadership approach, in which Roger states that the aim of all discipline is directed towards enabling students to own their behavior and be accountable for their behavior choices, respect the right of others to learn, to feel safe, and to be treated with respect, build a working relationship with students even where teachers have to discipline them. So it basically, Rogers' theory circulates around three words, three terms, which is rights, respect, and responsibility. Rogers' theory is based upon the reciprocity of shared respect and responsibilities between students, teachers, parents, and school communities. Broken down further, we can take a look at principles of positive behavior leadership of Rogers' approach. And from here, we can look at individual tactics that we can take to approach Summer's situation. Express joint rights and responsibilities in the rules, so we can hold Summer accountable to being part of the group and then following the informal rules of the group, such as contributing and then sharing. And this will hopefully create a situation where she feels like she is responsible for contributing, as well as she feels like she's being disrespectful if she's not contributing or treating her team members appropriately. Minimize unnecessary confrontation and embarrassment. So this is something for the teacher. For me, if I'm confronting Summer, I should be minimizing the confrontation so she does not feel embarrassed in front of the class, and which might cause her to lash out. Promote the use of appropriate choices. So showing that she has a choice to make, and if she makes the right choice, then she might yield positive feedback. Discipline and communicate expectations positively. Again, that's something for the teacher where I have to discipline respectfully and then communicate whatever I expect of my students in their groups or individually, how I can communicate what I expect of them positively towards them. So that was Roger's theory of positive behavior leadership model. And moving on to my three questions. My three questions for class discussion are: how could class participation be increased among students who are highly introverted or prefer to be left alone? Second question is: how can students be taught to understand and respond in a positive and constructive manner to their peers who might be introverted? And the last question is: what is the most appropriate and professional way that one could approach Summer to discuss her behavior in class? So that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening and have a nice day.